So this song was started by my friend Cheryl. She started the first three lines and got lazy, so I promised I'd finish it. And this is that. I've been down for too long. For so long I've been out of pace. I have learned to stay strong and how to keep up pace. My friends say don't give up. This life is like a race, and I'll learn how to outrun it. It's just a matter of time and space for me to run to you now and say that I need you somehow. For I've been back, forward, in and out, but I know you deliver me without doubt. So I will run, and I will run,